Hey guys, a quick video on how to disassemble the Nikon Monarch scope, rifle scope. This is Nikon Monarch UCC. It's 2.5 to 10 by 50. So the zoom is between 2.5 here and 10, and 50 is the diameter of the larger lens. The disassembly process I'm going to show you is going to be about the front lens and the bottom lens. So this one is quite simple. You just have to grab the scope on one hand, I think, or put it in the vise, but hold it firmly on this end, and then just try to unscrew this small part of it before this little belt. It goes just like so. That's counterclockwise. Alright, as you can see, it goes a little bit. It has tiny threads over there. Alright, here we go. Here it is. This is the lens. That's the one I was fixing previously. Yep, if you want to take the lens out, you have to undo these kind of there's a ring here that you have to undo using one of the optical keys, something that looks like this. This is a cheap and maybe not the best one, but it worked for me. And that's what you see inside the scope. Oh, not much, just a tube. So I'm gonna put this one back, and this thing just freely goes here. There's an O-ring, a seal. All these scopes are watertight, so you don't have to be scared or afraid of the weather. I think before I've disassembled it, it was even nitrogen purged. Well, not anymore. I have made it air nitrogen filled. Air contains, I think, more than 70% of nitrogen in it. That will work for me. Okay, that was the front lens, and this is going to be the bottom lens. So first you undo the zoom kind of thing, and then there's a tiny ring as well here with the optical key kind of things, or like little grooves. I've used just tweezers that I have here. It again wasn't the best tool to use, but it kind of worked for me. Actually, I think I was doing it like that, like so, just with one thing, and I was taking it out, so to say, with the at the same time as the zoom would go out. Okay, I think that's it. Here we go. So you can see how this one works. These are the zoom threads. They are even here. And this is the kind of the locking mechanism, this little ring. And what you see here is the little kind of crosshair. It's on this side, and there is actually no there's no lens or no glass covering those little wires they're just tiny little wires that are sitting there. So you can fix those as well if you need to. Yeah, and then just putting it back. Just making sure that the focusing threads are in place. No. Yes. Yes. The focusing threads are in place, and now the locking ring. It wasn't easy to undo it, I can tell you. It took me some attempts and some time and some nerve as well. All right. Just hand tightening it. Now I can do it with the tweezers. All right. Good. I think that's it pretty much. This scope also has a little LED that lightens the crosshair there, and it has the red and the green lights. The way how you do it, you just rotate this little thingy, and that's it. There's a little battery inside. You have to undo these screws, and then this part will come off, and you can replace the battery over there. Well, and that's pretty much it. You can also you can also disassemble this part, like separate it. I've made it, I did it I think a couple of weeks back. I don't remember exactly how I did it. I undo this bolt, and I think I took out all these pieces to see what's inside of it, and then I think this whole part just you can just undo it, and that was it. These guys, I haven't disassembled those. I don't really want to, but maybe one day. That's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys, how to take the front lens out and the back lens out as well, if you need to have some sort of a reparation or a fix for the scope. That's it. Hope you like it. If you find it useful, yeah, put a thumbs up. If you don't like it, well, put thumbs down, of course, and leave a comment what you think could be improved. I'm new here. Yeah, if you have some comments, leave them below. I'll try to answer them for now. But thanks for watching, and goodbye.